Hi beautiful people, this is Priceless Clip Makeover. Welcome back to my channel, and on today's episode of Bed to Beauty, I am bringing to you a dope bridal makeup. And if this is your first time of seeing me, thank you for stopping by. Please like, comment, share, give this video a thumbs up, and also let me know your views on the comment section. And big shout out to my old subscribers. You guys already know I love you and will continue to bring you makeup content. So this is my model before I made her Okuku bridal hairstyle, and this is after the hairstyle. So for the makeup, we are going to be skin prepping the face, and the first step is to make sure you carve the brows to give it a good desired shape. And I don't joke with this because I am that makeup artist that hates carving your brows, and after cleaning the makeup you'll be looking all funny. So I made sure I carve your brow and put it in a good condition. So after carving the brows, I will also be shaving off the hairs around her face. Also, that will be with her permission, either client or model, because some people wouldn't just want that. And after trimming off the hairs, I will be cleaning the face thoroughly with my micellar water face cleanser. Trust me, a face wipe will clean the face but will not do the magic as the face cleanser will do. After cleaning the face thoroughly, I will be moisturizing the face using my salt cream moisturizer. This will help the face to be properly hydrated, and this salt cream moisturizer is a Nigerian brand of moisturizer that is very affordable in the makeup market. So I will also be making sure I apply the moisturizer all over the face, especially on the under eye. You know why? Because if someone is very stressed, it is going to be showing on their under eye, and so if you are moisturizing, it is very vital you moisturize the under eye very well. Even if you are using serum, make sure you apply it on the under eye very well. So next I will be applying my sweat block. This is from Avourcosmetics, and I will be making sure I apply it on my T-zone area. Next I will be applying my matte primer from Avourcosmetics, and I will also apply it all over the face except on the under eye. And then I will fix it with my green tea hydrating spray, and I will be moisturizing the lip using my lip balm and have my model blend it in, as you can see. Then after that, I will be applying my foundation. This foundation is from V Beauty Cosmetics in the shade of chestnut. So I'll be applying it partly on the face and be fixing it with my hydrating spray and start blending it one part at a time, just like I am doing it here. This is very vital, especially if you are using a water-based or oil-based foundation. Fixing the foundation will help you blend it in effortlessly. So while blending in your foundation, you have to go it easy on the under eye, making sure you don't pack so much product on the under eye, because you are still going to highlight with your concealer. Also, whether you are using a foundation brush or your beauty sponge, you don't have to fight the skin. Rather, you have to blend light-handedly. Yes, so after blending in my foundation, I will be going over to highlighting my 5 areas using my Spotless Pro Concealer from Spotless Cosmetics. I'll be applying it on the jaw, the upper lip, the nose bridge, the forehead, and the under eye. And so I'll be using my 2 lighter shade Pro Concealer to do this. The lightest one, I'll be using it on the inner corner of the under eye to give it that pop, and the just like I'm doing it here. So I'll be blending in accordingly. So concealer is very vital because it will provide targeted coverage to hide imperfections like dark circle, blemishes, redness, and pigmentation, effectively evening out skin tone and creating a smooth, flawless complexion. But in this application interest, I am using this concealer to highlight, evening out, and to improve the makeup longevity. Concealer can also serve as a color corrector, and its darker shades can be used as contour. And also, when applied correctly, it can blend seamlessly into the skin for a natural appearance. So you see, in professional makeup, one can't just keep concealing because it has a lot of benefit towards achieving a flawless makeup. So after blending it, I will be using in that my second lighter pro concealer to make it pop out, and I'll be blending it in accordingly. Also, for those who prefers a natural look for or have mineral skin imperfections, applying concealer without foundation can achieve effective coverage and brightness without you needing a full face makeup. Alright, so as you can see, my skin work is giving perfect even when I'm not yet done. After that, the next thing I'll be doing is to apply my CPD blush on the chin bone. This is a dry blush, and so I'll be applying it immediately after I'm done with my concealer so that it will be absorbed into this cream product I have applied. You need to be applying your blush upward so that it will help you lift up the skin. Forgive me if you are seeing me as a type that doesn't conceal. Yes, I contour, but not with every skin type. If I'm working on a dark skin like this, or a chocolate or a fair skin, I determine the type of skin that I'm going to be contouring. So right here, I will not be contouring, rather I'll be using my dry blush to apply on the cream product I have applied for a proper absorption, and it will still be giving you the same effect a cream blush will give. I applied it on my chin bone and a little bit on the tip of the nose, and the pattern, the method is for you to apply your blush upward. It will help you achieve a slimmer face and to uplift the face too. So I'll be blending it in correctly and accordingly. Once that is done, I'll be applying my nose contour with 2 shades darker pro concealer, or foundation too can do it for you, but make sure it is a 2 shade darker skin than the natural skin tone. It will bring out the contour very well. So after applying my contour, this is what it is looking at, and then I will still go over with that same lighter pro concealer I used to remove the harsh line between my nose contour and my pro concealer, the one on the under eye, and I will be locking it in, fixing the makeup with my green tea hydrating spray, and allow it to dry. Next, I will be presetting my highlighted areas, which are the 5 areas I highlighted using my pro concealer. So I'll be using my Avour powder palette, the same shade I used to also preset the makeup, and then use my powder brush to dust off the remaining areas of the face. That you have presetted does not mean you will not set properly. After presetting with my brush, and be going over with my RCMA setting powder to set properly. Yes, setting powder is also very vital because it will help you absorb excess oil, control shine, and also extend the wear time of your makeup, making it especially useful for oily skin types. It is also helpful because it will blur out pores and also smooth out skin texture and create more even and polished complexion by setting your foundation and other cream products in place. This will also prevent smudging and fading throughout the day. So setting powder will also help you achieve or contribute to that 24 hours or long wearability of your makeup. So I'll be making sure to set properly my under eye because I am yet to apply eyeshadow. So if it were to be in brow first makeup method, you don't have to worry about this stage. But in skin first makeup like this one, you have to set the under eye properly before applying your eyeshadow, before any fallout will fall under the eye and spoil your makeup, and you wouldn't like that. So I'll be using the setting powder to also give the nose a shape, a pointed nose shape, and also use the same setting powder to lift the cheek, just as I am doing it here. So after that, I'll be going over to my brows application. Next, I'll be using my brow tamer to tame the brows. Some people call it edge control. I'll be using it to tame the brows. Then after that, I'll be using the leftover setting powder on my beauty sponge to damp out and set the brows before outlining it. Right here I'll be using my Pauline gel liner. You can also use your eye pencil if that's what works for you, but me, I like using my gel liner to outline my brows. This way my brows will last longer than when I use only eye pencil to outline. If you notice, some people, when they go out with their makeup and hug somebody, their eyebrows will shift, but it's not like that when you apply or outline your brows with gel liner. So that is why I like using my gel liner, especially to outline my brows. Also, do not forget that these are Nigerian products, brand products I am using. They are not far-fetched, they are not too expensive. In the makeup market, you can get them easily. So I'll be listing all the products I use in my description box. Do well to check them out. And as you are watching up to this point, I want to thank you, and do not forget to subscribe, like, share and comment. Also give this video a thumbs up. Let me also know what you think about this makeup so far on the comment section. Then after outlining my brows, the next thing is to conceal my brows. Also, do not forget, I did not mention this part, that the rule of makeup is that every liquid must be dry, and so once you apply anything liquid, you must make sure it is dry. So after concealing my brows, I also preset my concealer. The same concealer shade I use in applying in highlighting is the same concealer shade I'll be using to conceal my brows. So this is it. Did you know concealing your eyebrows in makeup allow you to completely redefine their shape and appearance? It will also help you correct lines and any mistake you made while outlining the brows, and you will be achieving a sharper and perfect eyebrow shape in the end. So concealing your brows will determine whether you are to mar or make your eyebrow in makeup. So after concealing, I'll be using my blending brush to blend in the products into the skin by tapping. As you can see, I can even use my fingers to tap in very well to make sure I'm getting an even blending at the end of the day. So after blending in the concealer and removing harsh line, I'll also be setting the product in using the same shade of powder. And for my eyeshadow base, this time I'll be using my Pauline gel liner, the brown gel liner, to make my eyeshadow base, because I want to get that brownish eyeshadow look. Yes, this is me blending in the Pauline gel liner. As a liquid gel liner that always dries off easily, I'll be applying it one eye at a time, blending it in accordingly before it dries out quickly, just as I am doing it here. As you can see, the brown eyelid is popping, and then after applying it, I'll be blending it out with a soft brown from my eyeshadow palette to blend out the harsh line in between the eyelid. There's one thing with me: whenever I'm applying my eyeshadow, I work as the spirit leads me sometimes. So I won't be telling you the exact name of this my eyeshadow, because all I can say is that I use my matte, and initially I use my gel liner as my base, and then I'll be using my pigment to achieve that brighter eyeshadow look. So just be watching as I am doing it. So after blending out the harsh line in between, I will be applying my glitters glue before applying my pigment. So while I do my thing, please enjoy the background music.
In the still of the night, I think of you. My heart beats with every thought of you. You're the one I can't let go. In your arms I find my home. Love, sweet love, it's you I'm dreaming of. Every moment with you feels like a gift from above. Forever and always, you're the one I adore. In your love I find my forevermore.
So after blending in so well, I'll be using my finger to tap in the glitters glue so I can apply my pigment. Without this glitters glue, the pigment or any glitters you want to apply will not be having a base and it will not be holding firmly. And after that, I will be applying my my pigment on the eyelid.
In the still of the night, I think of you. My heart beats with every thought of you. You're the one I can't let go in your...
So here I am using my razor pack to hold the outer lid so I can apply my darker shade of eyeshadow, matte eyeshadow, to give it that wing out look. Some people use tape, others use spoon. You can use what works for you. You can even apply it like that. And some people also use their setting powder to draw that line first before applying or winging out, but I do it effortlessly and very easy for me. This razor pack just will do the magic, as you can see. Then I will be using my gel liner to fill in the waterline and to smooth it out, just as I am doing. And I will be also applying my eyeliner. You can use a liquid eyeliner, you can use this gel black liner to fill in your waterline or to outline your eyelid. Then I'll be using my mascara to add volume to her natural lash and to make sure I fill in the upper and lower lash, just like I'm doing it here. And after that, I will let it dry and then I will apply my eyelashes.
I find my home, love, sweet love. It's you I'm dreaming of. Every moment with you feels like a gift from above. Forever and always, you're the one I adore. In your love I find my forevermore. Find my forevermore, the more through every storm. My God.
So immediately after applying my mascara, I had electricity obstruction and I did my lashes off camera and my lip also off camera. So right here I will be applying my lip gloss to add shine and glow to the lip. I also did my finishing touches while I was waiting for reinstation of my light. Sorry about that, but you can check out my other videos to see how I did that. It's nothing to worry about.
Still of the night, I think of you. My heart beats with every thought of you. You're the one I can't let go. In your arms I find my home, love, sweet love. It's you I'm dreaming of every...
And voila, this is the final look, guys. Thank you guys for sticking around. Thank you for sticking with me. Please like, comment, share. Do not forget to give this video a thumbs up and let me know the look you want me to try next on the comment section. Thank you. And for the makeup, the okuku hairstyling, the accessories, the wears, everything is from Priceless Clean Makeover. You can do well to check us out on Instagram at Priceless Clean Makeover Studio and on Facebook at Priceless Clean Makeover. We are also on TikTok as Priceless Clean Makeover. So do well to check us out. We ate and left no crumb. Thank you guys. Bye and see you in my next video.